In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email to New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open New Outlook and you want to go over here to the left, you want to scroll to the bottom, and then from here it says add account. So you want to click on add account over here, and this way you'll be able to basically add your email to New Outlook. So as you can see, you can go and use any of these like Gmail, you also have Yahoo and stuff like that. There's the option of iCloud, or you could also do IMAP or POP, okay? So you want to simply type in your email address you want to add, then you want to click on the continue button over here, and then it's going to either allow you to basically connect directly if you're using like something like Yahoo or Gmail like me over here, or of course in case you're using POP or the other options like IMAP, you're gonna have to configure it and then you'll be able to add it that way, okay? So that's how to add email. For more tutorials on how to actually add things like Yahoo or IMAP, I do have separate videos teaching you exactly how to achieve it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.